Hello children, today I will be taking language class of class 3. So take out your language book and open chapter 4, articles. What do you mean by articles? Articles are words that are used before nouns. There are three different types of articles. They are a, an, or, the. Now these articles are being divided into two types. They are indefinite articles and definite articles. Now I will be elaborating these articles with examples. So follow me children. What do you mean by article? An article is a word that is used before a noun. There are three articles in English language. They are a, an, or the. These three articles are divided into two types. Definite article, indefinite article. Definite articles are used to indicate something specific. Indefinite article refers to any person, place or thing, or it refers to non-specific noun. Now, if this sound complicated, then come and see this one. Articles. Article has been divided into three types. A, and, the. So, there are three articles in English language. A, an or the. Now, a and an is indefinite article. Indefinite means refers to any person or thing. Refers to any person or thing in general, or which is not specific, which is not clear. Specific means which is not clear. Now, the is definite article. We use the for definite article. Definite article means it's used to indicate something specific which is very clear. Okay? In order to go deep into it, we have to first understand what is consonant and what is vowels. How many types of consonants are there and how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels. Understood? 5 vowels. Whereas there are 21 consonants. When we use A is used if the word starts with consonant. Example, I need a phone. P is a consonant. Number 2, I saw a movie last night. Number 3, they bought a computer. Number 4, she is a singer. Now come to an. We use an if the word starts with vowel. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels. Example, Alex is training to be an engineer. An engineer. Number 2, that is an excellent pencil. Number 3, the man you saw there is an Englishman. Now come to page number 12. See what is given. Before a singular countable noun which starts with a consonant but has a vowel sound. There are many words that start with a consonant letters but it has a vowel sound. See, his name starts with an F. F. While pronouncing F, a sound is coming like E double F. F. So we are using an. Then it is given he is an MP. M. M sounds like EM. So we are using an although it is a consonant. Number 3. What is given? I will meet you in an hour. Hour. Here H is silent. Hour. So we are using an. Now, then next is he is an honest. See O, we are pronouncing like O. But H is silent over here. Although it's a consonant letter, we have to use an. Now come to definite article. In definite article, what is there? The. We use the when something that is unique or there is only one, like the sun. Example, see, number 1, the movie is perfect. The movie. Number 2, the shirt is red. The shirt is red. Number 3, can you give me the books on the table? The books. Number 4, the dog that bite me ran away. The dog. Okay, when we use the when something is specific or something is unique. I hope children this video will be very useful and very helpful for you all in solving assignment number 11. Thank you.